In this ABC tutorial, we're going to look at how we can edit using the View mode. In the View mode, we can choose between All, Branch, and Leaf. In this case, we're going to focus on All and Leaf. When we're in All mode, we can see our entire project in the workspace. So this is the book so far, from chapter 1 to 6, all the way over. If we instead look in the Leaf mode, we can see that we're only displaying the actual chapter. And if we go down through the chapters, we can see we're only displaying the audio for that actual chapter. Any editing that we do in Leaf mode will be reflected onto All mode. So that means you can do your editing in the Leaf mode and still keep your synchronization in the entire book. Now let's try to do a re-recording of a paragraph. In this paragraph, there is some text that needs to be narrated. So it needs to be longer than this one. So what we would like to do is re-record this paragraph and have that inserted into the entire book. Now to do that, we need to arm the track to be able to record. We can now see that the manuscript has gone grey and the paragraph that we would like to edit is white. We can now right-click on the paragraph and say Record Selection. When we press Record Selection, we will have a pre-roll and then we can begin recording.
In a manner of speaking, I suppose. "I'm going to need some help with this one," said the machine tersely. All the cheerful burbling had dropped out of its voice, and it now meant business. "Well, anything I can do," said Arthur. "You've done quite enough," the new dramatic informed him.
The new region has now been shuffled into place. Now if we would like to trim the ends of the region here, if they didn't quite fit, we can easily do that. We can take the end of this region here and trim it. Take this region here, trim that as well, and move that into place. The blank area here, we can triple click on that to select this area and say cut. And now we've played it all together.
"I'm going to need some help with this one," said the machine tersely. All the cheerful burbling had dropped out of its voice, and it now meant business. "Well, anything I can do," said Arthur. "You've done quite enough," the new dramatic informed him. It summoned up the ship's computer. "Hi there!"
Now we can also edit the text and the audio without doing the re-recording. So if you wanted to take away some of the text here, just double click on the text and we can highlight it and we can delete some of the text. Now we would also like to delete the audio. Just press escape to go out of editing mode.
It nagged at him. He ignored it. It nagged at him. He ignored it. It nagged at him. He gave into it.
So this is where we would like to go out. I place the playhead where I want to do my edit. Say split. Now I can just select the region that I want to delete and say cut. And now this region has gone. If I now view this in all mode, we can see that the edit works in the entire book as well.